My name is Ken. I'm an education advisor at the UX Design Institute. One of the main questions that we get on a day-to-day basis is, how can I move into a career in UX design? We help our students do this through our professional diploma in UX design. Once you've successfully completed the course with ourselves, you'll come out of it with three main things. The first thing is the qualification, which is the professional diploma in UX design. It's a university qualification through the Glasgow Caledonian University, and it's validated by what's called the Industry Advisory Council. The second thing that you'll come out of the course with, which is really the main thing, is that you'll have industry-ready skills. So by the end of the course, you'll have the skills and the confidence that you'll be able to put together a UX design process and strategy with a business, and you'll have the practical skills that you'll be able to implement each stage of the process on a day-to-day basis. The third thing that you'll come out of the course with is a comprehensive professional UX design portfolio. The portfolio is a really important part of getting a job in UX design. We do a lot of research with our graduates, and at the moment about 80% of our graduates are getting jobs in UX within 6 months of completing the course. And they generally tell us that the qualification along with the portfolio is the main reason for this. I hope that answered some of the questions that you might have about the course, but feel free to book a call with us, check out our website, and we'll look forward to speaking to you then.